Get 50% off and order online with free shipping at the LITBLINDS store on YouTube channel. Amazing design for vertical and zebra blinds. Zebra blinds are a stylish and versatile window treatment option that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetic appeal. These blinds feature alternating panels of sheer and opaque fabric, allowing you to control both light and privacy with ease. The unique design of zebra blinds enables you to adjust them to your desired level of illumination and visibility, giving you the freedom to create the perfect ambience in any room. Whether you want to let in soft, diffused light during the day or block out harsh glare in the evening, zebra blinds offer unparalleled flexibility. Additionally, their modern and sophisticated appearance adds a touch of elegance to any space, making them a popular choice for contemporary interiors. With their smooth operation and durable construction, zebra blinds are not only stylish but also practical, providing long-lasting performance and effortless maintenance. Whether you're looking to enhance the beauty of your home or improve the functionality of your windows, zebra blinds are an excellent choice that combines form and function in perfect harmony. Zebra blinds are the epitome of modern window fashion, offering a dynamic blend of style, versatility, and functionality. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, these blinds feature a unique dual-layered design that allows you to effortlessly transition between sheer elegance and complete privacy. The alternating bands of translucent and opaque fabric enable you to achieve the perfect balance of natural light and shade, while also maintaining an unobstructed view of the outside world when desired. This innovative design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of any room but also provides unparalleled control over light and ambience. Whether you're seeking to create a cozy atmosphere in the living room, a tranquil retreat in the bedroom, or a productive workspace in the office, zebra blinds adapt effortlessly to your needs, ensuring comfort and style all year round. With their smooth, quiet operation and durable construction, these blinds offer a luxurious yet practical solution for any window, making them a timeless addition to any home or commercial space. Upgrade your interior decor and elevate your window treatments with the timeless elegance and unparalleled versatility of zebra blinds. Zebra blinds transcend mere functionality to become a statement piece within your interior design scheme. Their contemporary aesthetic and sleek lines add a touch of sophistication to any room, instantly elevating the ambience and creating a sense of modern luxury. Available in a wide range of colors, textures, and patterns, zebra blinds offer endless possibilities for customization, allowing you to tailor them to suit your unique style and preferences. Whether you prefer a minimalist monochrome palette, a bold pop of color, or a subtle textured fabric, there's a zebra blind to complement your decor perfectly. Furthermore, the innovative design of zebra blinds extends beyond their visual appeal to deliver unmatched practicality and convenience. With their easy-to-use control mechanisms, you can effortlessly adjust the level of light and privacy with just a simple flick of the wrist, ensuring optimal comfort and convenience at all times. Additionally, zebra blinds are crafted from high-quality materials that are not only durable and long-lasting but also easy to clean and maintain, making them an ideal choice for busy households and commercial spaces alike. Whether you're revamping your entire home or simply updating your window treatments, zebra blinds offer a versatile and stylish solution that will stand the test of time, enhancing the beauty and functionality of your space for years to come. Vertical blinds are a classic window treatment option known for their versatility, practicality, and timeless appeal. These blinds consist of vertical slats that hang from a track at the top of the window, allowing you to control both light and privacy with ease. Vertical blinds are available in a variety of materials, including fabric, vinyl, and aluminum, giving you the freedom to choose the perfect option for your space. Fabric vertical blinds offer softness and warmth, while vinyl and aluminum blinds provide durability and easy maintenance, making them suitable for high-traffic areas such as offices and commercial spaces. One of the key advantages of vertical blinds is their ability to tilt open or closed, allowing you to adjust the angle of the slats to regulate the amount of light entering the room and to maintain privacy. They can also be fully drawn to one side, providing unobstructed views and maximizing natural light when desired. This versatility makes vertical blinds ideal for rooms with large windows or sliding glass doors, where traditional horizontal blinds may be impractical. In addition to their functionality, vertical blinds offer a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements a wide range of interior styles. Whether you prefer a minimalist, contemporary look, or a more traditional design, vertical blinds can be customized to suit your taste and enhance the overall decor of your space. With their practicality, durability, and timeless appeal, vertical blinds continue to be a popular choice for homeowners and businesses alike, providing both style and functionality for years to come. Vertical blinds offer not just practicality, but also a sense of architectural elegance to any space they adorn. Their clean lines and vertical orientation create a sense of height and openness, making rooms feel more spacious and inviting. Additionally, vertical blinds can help to regulate room temperature by blocking out harsh sunlight during hot summer days and retaining warmth during colder months, thus contributing to energy efficiency and cost savings. Another advantage of vertical blinds is their ease of maintenance. Unlike curtains or drapes that require regular washing or dry cleaning, vertical blinds can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth or vacuumed to remove dust and debris. This makes them an ideal choice for busy households or commercial settings where cleanliness and hygiene are paramount. Furthermore, vertical blinds are highly customizable, allowing you to choose from a wide range of colors, textures, and materials to complement your interior decor. Whether you prefer the softness of fabric, the sleekness of vinyl, or the durability of aluminum, there's a vertical blind option to suit every style and preference. In summary, vertical blinds offer a perfect blend of functionality, style, and practicality, making them a versatile window treatment solution for any home or business. Whether you're looking to enhance privacy, control light, or simply elevate the aesthetics of your space, vertical blinds provide a timeless and sophisticated solution that stands the test of time. Vertical blinds are not just a window covering, they are a design element that can transform the entire look and feel of a room. With their ability to seamlessly blend into any decor style, from contemporary to traditional, vertical blinds offer endless possibilities for enhancing the beauty and functionality of your space. One of the lesser-known benefits of vertical blinds is their ability to reduce noise pollution. The vertical slats act as a barrier, helping to absorb sound and minimize outside noise, creating a more peaceful and tranquil environment indoors. This makes vertical blinds an excellent choice for homes located in busy urban areas or near noisy streets. Moreover, vertical blinds are incredibly versatile in their application. While they are commonly used for standard windows and sliding glass doors, they can also be installed in unconventional spaces such as bay windows, skylights, and even as room dividers. This adaptability makes vertical blinds a practical and stylish solution for any architectural layout or design challenge. Additionally, vertical blinds offer superior light control compared to other window treatments.
Acquired professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please share, like and comment.